Hi, I'm Lindsay Marshall. I'm the executive pastry chef, and today we'll be making chocolate truffles. For the chocolate truffles, you want to make sure you use coating chocolate, which is you can find at most grocery stores. It'll be the chocolate used for chocolate-covered strawberries, but it should say dark chocolate coating on. Make sure you melt that slowly, 20-second intervals, stirring, and then pour into your desired mold, making sure to fill it all the way to the top. Tap it slightly, make sure it's all filled, and then you'll pour out your excess because this is just your shell coating. Use a bench scraper, and you can scrape off, make sure it's nice and even. And that can go into your refrigerator for approximately 10 minutes, and we'll make the filling. You want to get your pot on the stove, grab your cream, butter, corn syrup, bring that to a boil. Now add in your chocolate and take it off the heat. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then you're going to whisk it so it's all emulsified. And let that cool slightly. Pour into a piping bag with a round tip, and then you're going to fill the center of the truffles just below the cavity, so that way you have space for the back side. Then you put that in the cooler for 20 minutes, and then we'll do coating chocolate again, melted. Pour that over. Make sure it's nice and even and a good size coat. And then you'll put this back in the cooler for at least 30 minutes, so that way it's all nice and firm. And then you'll take it out and make sure you just bang the sides of the cavities, and it should pop out.